Hi everyone!
Welcome back to Lina's Pretend Play.
In this video,
We will talk about place value, question and answer,
Yeah.
quiz, part 2.
learn with various fun
Yeah.
activities.
In part 1, we talk about what is place value, and in this video, we're
It's
going
part
to do
2.
some quizzes. What is the value of 5 in, what's this number?
1, 2, 3.
43,529. So what is the value of 5? Number 1, 500. Number 2, 50. Number 3, 5,000. Number 4, 5. So
It's
1. Yeah.
Do you think it's 1?
Yes, because it has here 500. The digit 5 is in the hundreds place. So its value is 500 or 500. Look at the highlighted numbers. Okay. A 23,709 is the same. So which number is in the thousands place? So which one?
It's this one.
So either it's 2 or 3 or 7 or 0. Which one? Okay, so I think this number is C, 7.
I think it's a B.
Yeah? Why you think so?
I don't really know.
1,000.
Yeah.
B is in 1,000 place.
The highlighted number 3 in option B is the thousands place of the number
23,709.
So I was right.
Look at the number 3,589. So, which digit has the largest value in number 3,589?
3.
3?
It's the number 3.
Why?
Because it's the first one.
It's in the thousands place.
3.
Yeah. So the digit with the
We
largest
already know.
value is the number 3,000. Number 3,589 is 3 because it is in the thousands place. Look at the number now, the new number 5,948. So what is the question?
8.
Can you read it, Lina?
Which digit has the smallest number in the number?
Value, smallest value. Yes. So which
It's
one?
8.
8. And why you think so?
Because it's the smallest number here.
It stayed in the ones place.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay. So let's see the answer.
8.
Yeah. Because it
8.
is in the unit place or
Unit?
ones place.
Units means 1.
Yeah. Which represents the ones, making its value 8. Look at the card. 43868. 4368. And so what is the smallest number that can be made using all of the cards? 4368. So how can we solve this problem?
It's a 3, then a comma, then a 4, then a 6, then a 8. 3,468.
How you do that?
Because the 3 is the smallest number, and the 4 is the next smallest number, 6 is the next smallest number, and 8 is the next smallest.
Oh, that's a good idea. Okay, let's see the answer. To get the smallest number, you arrange the digit in this ascending order. That's how you do it. 3, 4, 6, 8. It's going up from smallest to bigger number. Starting with the smallest digit. Thus, the smallest number that can be made
Thus means so.
is 3,468. Good
Yeah,
job,
but
Lina.
thus means so.
Yeah. Let's see the next one. Which of the following is the correct descending order? So this time it's
And by the way,
descending. Descending is what?
The descending means that descending is like going up. I mean down.
From bigger number?
It's going down, so it's going down.
Bigger number to
Then
smaller number.
No, ascending. How do you say it?
Ascending.
Ascending
Yeah.
is going up.
Yeah, descending is like 8, 7, 6,
5, 4,
5, 4.
3,
So going
2, 1.
backward.
And
And
then
ascending is forward. Right?
like 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
Mhm.
11, 12, 13, 14.
Good. Thank you.
So like
So now how we can figure out which one is the correct format here?
I already know this.
Yeah. So what do you know already? So now you have to find in this number 1, number 2, number 4, which one is the biggest number here? It says
It's the number 2.
so number 2 is the biggest number, right? So in this options, where are the 2 numbers is biggest here? So A has it.
So it's this.
Yeah. Does B have it?
No.
B has it in the second place, so it's already wrong, right? So
In the
number
third
C.
place.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it could be 2. How about D? No, so wrong. So from now B,
So-
A and C, we have to find the right
So
answer.
then this is not. This is not.
Okay, so now how we can find this? Which one is the right answer, A or C?
Because so that one,
So which is the second number? Second one. 1,
then
then
a 2,
2, then 3,
3, then 4,
and then 5.
5. 5
So
small.
we figured out this number already. So done. So next number is 198. So what is 198? Is it in A or C?
Hey!
Yeah, so here. Yeah, and this one no.
No, only that part.
Okay, so the right answer could be
That
A.
Actually-
So why was 6 afraid? Now this is a fun part of math facts. So why was 6 afraid of 7 in number land? A, because 7, 8, 9.
This has a rhyming word.
B, because 7
I mean,
has a
not
correct
rhyming
number.
word.
C, because 7 has a well-known number. D, or D, because 7 told scary bedtime stories. So which one?
It sounds the same, but it's spelled different and it means something else.
Yeah.
8, 8.
What?
8, 8.
So 7, 8,
8,
9. That's why 6 is scared. Because 6 thought 7 can eat 8, 9. So he might gonna eat me too. Right? Yeah. So next. So the answer is 1.
Yay!
Next one. Final quiz. So what is it? Why did number 1 get the prize in the number parade? So which one? Because it was the first place in the place value? That's also a joke. Or no?
No.
Because it was the number 1, of course, because all the other numbers were odd, because it promised all the other digits a place in line.
I know what you did. It's the number 1 because it's the first place value 1.
Yeah.
Because 1,
Correct.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wait,
Good.
shouldn't it be 0?
The 0, but it's not here.
Yeah, it's not even a number.
All right.
See, I told you.
Good. Let's see next.
Oh!
That's all. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys next time.
Bye, 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 bye.